What's going on, guys? We are out here at Torch Lake, Michigan. Beautiful sandbar right behind us. We're out here hanging out for the week. I've got my final scuba certification dives Thursday and Friday of next week, or end of this week. And we're just hanging out. Got Ryan with me, and we're cruising.
We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way. And so every night I dream it, I'm starting to believe in what you say when I'm asleep, and that you
Oh man. Cedar River. Basically our own private river. This is so cool. We might have to come chill here tomorrow or something, but look at this. Oh man. This water is freezing. But honestly, it's so clear. If anyone knows what this is, drop a comment down below. There's like holes down here, and it goes to this box that runs a wire up that way, and there's just more river. So yeah, if you know what this is, let me know down below, because I have no idea. It's another beautiful day up here in northern Michigan. Right now we're parked up on this sweet little shallow spot on Torch Lake. The water is so clear here, it's so amazing.
Cold. It is so cold.
It's also very cold, but besides that, it's really clear and it's really awesome.
What's up, guys? It's Ty here today with a new vlog. We are chilling at Torch Lake for the weekend. Just having a great time out here. The water is freezing cold, and Ryan is, it's pretty cold. We're just floating in the Great Salt Lake. I love Utah, great state.
Hi, I'm Ryan.